Hi, how are you, friend? This video will show you how to make money with surveys. It will give you some of the best paid online survey websites. The business and marketing industry is booming, and there is a lot of money to be made, but it takes dedication and good sites to make the kind of money that makes it worth your time. You will need sites that provide you with incentives and deliver what is expected. Sites which is easy to build relationships and trust with. You will need sites like the ones in this video. Although survey sites provide easy ways to earn money and passive income, taking them won't be enough income to be considered successful income. However, there is a way to make lots of money with survey sites. Referral program. A referral program is an option a money-making site provides to its panelists to attract others to register with them. They provide you with a link, you promote that link, and when someone registers through that link, you get paid. It's that simple. Passive income. The easiest way to earn with survey sites. Most survey sites offer paid referral programs and some pay well. The websites we provide are good paying sites, they can be trusted, and they all have referral programs. Referral sites is the best way to earn online. There is no risk. Here are a few of the best paid online referral websites. Vindale Research. This is an online survey site that offer one of the best referral program. They pay $5 for every person you refer to their website. When the person you refer register through your link, you will earn $5. It's that simple. Passive income. They also provide other money-making options. Creative Live. This is an online site that offer online courses and some are free. They offer courses like digital marketing, information technology, search engine optimization and other unique courses. They also offer a good referral program. They pay you $1 for every person who register through your link. They offer 20% revenue share for every new customer and 10% for every active customer you send to their site. Revenue share is money gained from a customer who stay with their site. So when the person you send start making money, then you will get a percentage of what they make for life. This is a good site. People per hour. This websites allow users to promote different services like video ranking, guest blog posting, link building and many other gigs and service. If you do something well, then you can sell your services through this site and make money. They also offer $30 for every person you refer that sells a gig. This is an awesome website. These are only a few sites. Below this video, you will find more. Sites like Springboard America, Valued Opinions, Cash Crate and many more. Now that you have some good sites to begin with, you can start earning money. Simply register with about 5 of these sites and stay consistent, and before you know it, you will start earning a good income. For these sites and more, scroll down below this video, click on Show More and you will see the links to each of these sites. You can also find us on our social sites. Look for the links below this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and like our video. Thank you for watching.